Let's make something with these Dollar Tree blanks. We have the long piece of wood with the pumpkin cutout and these leaves that traditionally can be used as an ornament or garland. If you like simple Dollar Tree crafts, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm here with new videos every week. The first thing you want to do is take that piece of twine off and save it. Then I'm just going to paint this with a white chalk paint. I'm going to paint each of the leaves a different fall color, so reds, oranges, and golds, and just set all of that aside and let it dry. I grabbed a piece of scrap vinyl and I'm cutting the word fall out with my Cricut. You can also buy those block letter stickers at Dollar Tree and use those for this project as well. So I'm just going to put a black letter on each one of those leaves. Now that piece of twine that we saved, it's really nice. It's got two little plastic tabs on the end that help keep it in place. So those are great for stringing beads. I just grabbed some wood beads from my stash and I'm going to put those on this string. And now I'm just going to put it all together with a little bit of hot glue. These are two very common Dollar Tree blanks, that big wood board with the pumpkin cutout and those wood leaves that we see every year. I have a feeling we're going to see something like this around the Christmas season, maybe a wood board with a different cutout on the top, and those little ornament wood blanks. I might make one just like this. For now, this is going to hang on my front door for fall. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am here every week with simple, inspiring projects. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.